Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start with the chapter number 2, digital marketing. Now, what do you mean by digital marketing? In this concept, in this chapter, we are going to learn meaning of marketing, what is the meaning of marketing, and how the digital marketing works. Then, concept of digital marketing, channels in digital marketing. There are various channels where we use the certain social medias that we are going to learn. Then concept of search engine. As you know, search engine is used to search the various types of information. Then organic and paid search. Categories of SEO, that is search engine optimization. In that, two different categories we are going to learn. One is black hat SEO and white hat SEO. Different SEO strategies, long tail and short tail keywords. Actual working with SEO means how to do the auditing of a particular website and the concept of Google Analytics. So these are the concepts which we are going to learn in this chapter. Now let us start with the digital marketing concept. Now what do you mean by the digital marketing? So digital marketing, it is a way of creating awareness and trust about your brand or product or services through digital or electronic devices. Now when we do the marketing with the help of certain social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, then the concept is called as a digital marketing. The digital marketing is the marketing of goods and services via digital technologies. A simple definition, that is digital marketing. This is a marketing of your goods and services via digital technologies. Now, for example, if you have started any organization which deals with certain hardware and software parts. Now here, to increase the sale of your organization, definitely you will do the marketing of your products. You will search wherever the demand is there in the market, and then accordingly you will use certain digital technologies. You can create a website and that you can launch on the Google Chrome, or you can create your Facebook account through which you can do the marketing of the products. You can create your Twitter account, Instagram account, so through which you can do the marketing of your goods. So this concept is called as digital marketing. Now after this, the difference between the traditional and the digital marketing. Now marketing today is very different from what it was a few decades ago. Internet, you know the concept of internet, that is a network of networks, and by using certain dedicated software and another high-tech products, marketers can gather much more data today. They also have a wider range of tools with which to influence the consumers. Digital marketing allows companies to analyze and quantify their campaigns. Unlike physical newspaper advertisement, for example, digital ads can tell us what readers did when they saw the ad. Digital marketing example. Now let's go with the example, that is a Pizza Hut. The Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut. This app you can install on your mobile. So consumers today can download the apps and interact with the seller. Pizza Hut or Domino's Pizza, for example, created an app which allows customers to create their own pizzas. All they had to do was drag their chosen toppings onto a pizza base image. They can visit certain combo offers also, through which they can get the benefit in the prices also. So with the help of digital marketing, it is very helpful for the customers to purchase the products which they want. Now after this, let's have some more differences between the digital marketing and traditional marketing. Digital marketing is always cost effective, but traditional marketing, it is not cost effective. Digital marketing is the fast and efficient for brand building. It is not so good for brand building. Digital marketing is measurable with the help of Google Analytics. Traditional marketing is difficult to measure. Here, digital marketing is always available to us 24 by 7, but traditional marketing has the sufficient time. That is between 10 to 5 it is available to us. Now what people think about us, so directly we get the results. In the traditional marketing, very difficult to know what are the people think about us. So here, digital marketing is more cost effective as we use all the social medias to do the marketing and the cost is very less. For traditional marketing, the brochures have to be published, the advertisements are given in the newspapers, so definitely it increases the price. Then it is a very fast and efficient for brand building. So as the advertisement directly go through the channel, so it is a fast way to meet with the customers. It is not so good for the brand building as brochures should reach to the customers. They should see the brochures and then they will think about it. So it is not so good for the brand building as it is available to us 24 by 7. So anytime customer can visit and they can purchase the product. So these are certain differences between the traditional and digital marketing. Now after this, let's see the channels in digital marketing. Content, social media, SEO, that is search engine optimization, mobiles, emails, pay per click. These are the certain channels in digital marketing through which customers can interact with and they can do the advertisement of their products. Now let's go with the first, that is search engine optimization. In short, it is always called as SEO. Now this is a simple method to rank your website at the higher position. There is an audit with the SEO which searches whatever difficulties or whatever laggings are there in your website and it will show you all the information about your website. So it is the process of boosting content and technical setup of the website so that it appears at the top of a search engine result for specific keywords. SEO is to attract visitors to your website when they search for the products or services related to your business. So here customers by typing a certain keyword, if that keyword is available in your website and many searches are there like this, then definitely your website rank will go higher. Second one is mobile marketing, where from SMS and MMS in app marketing, there are many ways to go through with the mobile marketing. Now, for example, nowadays we get the different apps on the mobiles. Now, in that, we can get the WhatsApp. So, you have seen the certain customers, certain vendors, they launch certain products and they send the SMS or they send through the WhatsApp. They send the images through the WhatsApp. So here the customers can visit to their group by joining the link and they can purchase the products. So this is a good way of marketing which is known as the mobile marketing. Third one is the email marketing where companies communicate with their audience through the email marketing. Emails are used to promote the content, events, discounts, certain offers and also to direct people towards the business website. Next one is paid search, which is also known as PPC, pay per click. So paid search or pay per click advertising refers to the sponsored result on the search engine results pages. PPC ads are visible, flexible and effective for many different types of organizations. With paid search, you only pay when your ad is clicked. So whenever someone clicks on your ad, then that time only you have to pay for the Google ad. You can tailor your ads to appear when specific search phrases are entered, the targeting them to a particular audience. Next one is content marketing. Have you heard the saying that content is a king? Everything is depend on the contents. If your content is good, then definitely your customers will get increased. The quality content is the fuel that drives your digital marketing strategies. Content marketing denotes the creation and promotion of content assets in order to generate the brand awareness, lead generation, traffic growth, and the customers. The channels that play a part in your content marketing include the videos, blogs, ebooks, etc. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. So, to get the higher traffic to your website, definitely you can use the social media marketing with the help of certain social media tools like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. The major social media platforms are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat. So these are the certain channels of social media marketing. Now, what is a search engine and how shall my website rank high on the search engine? Now, as you know, when we want to search any information, then always we use the Google. So just opening by Google Chrome, we type the website name or URL name as www.google.co.in, where it will show you the home page where there is a text box for the search. Suppose I want to search the information for the e-commerce, so I will type the keyword e-commerce and I will click on the search option. As you click on search, you will get a variety of links on the next web page where the word e-commerce, a keyword e-commerce is appeared in the links. So when I click on the first link, then all the information about e-commerce I get. If I require, I take a hard copy of this. So search engines are used to search the various types of information by typing a keyword. A web search engine or internet search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web search, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for the particular information specified in a textual web search query. The search results are generally presented in a line of results, often referred to as a search engine result pages. The information may be a mix of links to web pages, images, videos, information graphics, articles, research papers, and other types of files. So, variety of information you can search. To understand this, see the comparison of search result of Yahoo and Google for the same product. Let's go with the next example. Now see, the two different search engines are given here. One is of Yahoo and second one is of Google. Now I have typed the keyword which is known as buy a new car. So when I open it in the Yahoo, what information you will get where the word appears buy new car in the links. So here it's showing the different websites having information for buying the new car. The entire search engine optimization works on the keywords. If those keywords are being used in the content of the website, then the website may rank in the top 10 or 20 results, 20 search results. Now see on the Google. So here on the Google, you will get the links with the information AD at the front side. Even you will get certain images related to buy new car. So these are the differences between the Yahoo and the Google search. Now here how to rank the website. There are two ways to rank the website. One can pay and rank and second one is organic search. The other is without payment. One can rank the website doing SEO process, that is organic search. Now here the difference between the organic search and paid search. Look at these two figures A and B and you will understand that you can pay Google or any search engine and rank your website on top of the search. The keyword ad marked here in figure A shows that this site has paid Google search engine to rank him at top. Now figure B shows the keyword sponsored, which is also paid site to rank the images and information at the top. Now let's see with again two examples. The links with the advertisement are called as pay search in the Google in the figure A. So here you can see the word AD is there, which is used for the advertisement. When the user clicks on it, then the particular site has to pay for the Google Analytics. In the figure B, links with the advertisements are called as paid search, where the sponsored word is given, where you can see certain images, where that images are the paid images, so they are sponsored, where you can get the images as well as the price and the site name. So here this is the example of paid search. In figure C, the searched website is so popular that many users must have visited it. Therefore, it has become popular and it is ranked by search engine on its first page. Why we must opt for first 5 pages? Because as we go on, the higher number customers does not search those pages or there are various less visitors as the page number grows. So always your website should rank at the higher position, then only you can attract more customers towards it. Then the techniques and strategies used to get higher rank and breaking technical rules or search engine rules are: the first one is black hat SEO and second one is white hat SEO. White hat SEO involves looking for ways to improve user experience ethically and genuinely. Always we have to go in the ethical manner when we use the white hat SEO. It ensures that the web page content should have been created for the users and not just for the search engines. So, as per the user's requirement, the web pages are created not for the search engine purpose. Black Hat SEO relies on manipulating Google algorithm to improve the rankings by creating a copy of a popular website which shows the contents similar to the original website. The Google crawler reads the content and thinks the website is the original one and it ranks the page. Crawler is a program used by the search engines to collect the data from the website. Remember, always follow a white hat SEO tactic and don't try to fool your site visitors. Be honest and definitely you will get proper rank. Now Google search algorithm has become intelligent as it finds you are fooling to rank your website. It ranks you down and blacklists you and your business go down in open market. On-page SEO and off-page SEO. The search engines don't look at a page the way a person looks at it. They can only read the source code on the page. If you right click on any web page, you will likely to see. Now, search engines don't look at a page the way person looks at it. They can only read the source code of the page. If you right click on any of the web page, you will likely to see an option for viewing that page source. Right click on the web page and click on the view source option. Definitely you will get the source code of the particular web page. If you are not familiar with the HTML code, then it will look like a jumbled mess. There are number of ways to approach SEO to generate the traffic to your website. In that, the first one is on page SEO, second one is off page SEO, and third one is technical SEO. On page SEO means user can make the changes on the web page, a single web page, whatever changes he has done that are reflected on the web page. Anything within the angular brackets is the HTML code. So anything between two sets of tags is something that could get put on the web page for a person to read. The text inside the brackets tells browser and search engines how to render the information between the tags. The reason is that it's called as on-page SEO is that these changes are visible to the reader. So whenever instead of H1, if you use the H2 tag, then immediately the changes are reflected and that are visible to the readers. It is a balance between giving the right information to search engines without compromising the information that your customers are reading on the page. Off-page SEO means when a developer creates or makes the changes for a web page for the another website. It is about everything that doesn't happen directly on your site. It is about, among other things, link building, social media, and the local SEO. It allows generating traffic to your site with the help of off-page SEO. Third one is technical SEO. It is very important step in the whole SEO process. If there are problems with your technical SEO, then it is likely that your site SEO efforts will not generate the expected results. A simple example of technical SEO is the site speed. People do not like to wait for the slow websites. If your pages load slowly, then you will be ranked lower than a comparable site that has faster pages. Another example is mobile friendliness. If your site looks bad on a mobile device, search engines can detect that the lower that and lower its ranking on the mobile specific search engines. Means when you create the website, then it must be a good on the laptop as well as on the mobiles.